Because of ONPASSIVE, our lives and the lives of the people we love and know will change forever. ONPASSIVE is powerful. Users of the internet never again will anyone lose money, their dignity, their friends and family, trying to make a better life for themselves. ONPASSIVE is risk-free. Mr. Ash Mufareh has built ONPASSIVE to work with its users. There are no contraindications when using ONPASSIVE's state-of-the-art digital products. ONPASSIVE is safe to use with no adverse side effects. ONPASSIVE is built to help not hurt those who use ONPASSIVE as their company. ONPASSIVE is the blueprint to financial survival or financial opulence. In whatever way a person uses ONPASSIVE, he or she will be successful. The stimulus that ONPASSIVE provides the early bird affiliates is truly remarkable. Never has something that costs a little returned so much. The only investment made is patience and belief in ONPASSIVE's ability to deliver all that it has promised. The power of believing in ONPASSIVE should consume all early bird affiliates. Look at the companies using the internet to monopolize and take money away from honest and unsuspecting people. But there will be a change when users of the internet discover what ONPASSIVE offers them. They will leave those companies like never before and never go back. And the wave of excited and liberated people will be staggering. Very soon our wait will be over. How are you going to feel when you will never have to worry about paying our bills, not worrying about having enough money to retire or working until we are 60 years or older to retire? ONPASSIVE is going to take care of all early bird affiliates. Then we will take care of those who are suffering financially and help them. Make no mistake about it, those giant IT companies and other companies are going to hate ONPASSIVE. Mr. Ash Mufareh knows that he has created ONPASSIVE with the failure-resistant materials, love, compassion and caring for people. That is an unbeatable combination. Let all of us catch the spirit of ONPASSIVE. Be proud of what we have and have been given. ONPASSIVE is the cure-all for all who have ventured into the internet and lost. Notice the words of ONPASSIVE's CEO, Mr. Ash Mufareh. I have a big secret to share with you tonight, and we have stayed very optimistic along the journey. But even before many challenges became known, we had already seen the signs in the early stages, and parallel with that, this was going bigger than ever and we had to up our game periodically and rapidly. I personally took this as my life, and one statement will make you understand about this business, and my character is literally hardcore do it or die. More than you think, my existence is just for this journey, and if I am not able to take it to a proper delivery to the public, it destroys me personally. You may think it's one person or a few successful people, but you're mistaken. It's me literally. Do it or die. And when we responsibly became even bigger, and by my motivation from you and other projects, I decided to make sure I had a backup plan and made sure even if I died it would not affect you. ONPASSIVE is a so-done deal, and I'm at the luxury that I will be able to pick the best of the best, and it's the only internet you will need and the only safe one. Powerful words from Mr. Ash Mufareh.